Okay, let's look at statistics model, especially mean and median and mode. So here's the one example. Grade consists with 5 numbers: 85, 93, 45, 89, 85. So if we don't know statistics model, then we can do sum functions, grade, and divide by length function, basically divide by 5. So if you learn it, we get 79.4, which is mean. Okay, of course that's what we could as an average. So let's go back. We can use statistic model. You have to import. Then let me come down here. We can say statistics. That was correct. Then here we can use mean and the mean of this grade. So here you go. 79.4. Okay. Of course, you can make comments here. Then you can see. Okay, 79.4. You can also do median. Okay, let me copy. The median means there's a middle value if you sort it in order. So if you're not quite too sure, let me sort this value before I print. Okay, if you sort, yeah, grade, it's going to show up 45, the smallest number, then 85, 85, 89, and 93. Okay, then you can do statistic means, what is the middle value all here, which is of course 85. If I print it here, no, that was a correct mean. So let me use statistics median grade. Okay, comments. So median here, we are looking at the middle number. Okay, which is 85. Okay, then the last one, statistics mode. Okay, so this case we are looking at the most frequently used value in this grade. Of course, there are 285, so answer is going to be 85. I guess there's a typo. Okay, 85. So hope you know what is the difference between mean and median, and then the mode. Okay, this is what usually we use. Simple calculation. Of course, you don't have to use a sum length function. You can just divide by 5. That's okay. But we like to use a statistic function so that you don't have to reinvent the field. And then sorted function. Sort these elements in order according to the value, smallest to the biggest number. Then mean. Okay, it's exactly the same as I don't know why I typed twice. Let me remove. Yeah, I think I was mean to type median. Okay, the median. Okay, the middle value. Okay, if you arrange all this one in sorted value. Okay, so we are talking about 85. 85 is the answer. Most frequently appearing values, of course, that's 85. Happen to be same value. That's all. Thank you.